this tutorial, we will be making the medium star of our star pattern collection. The written pattern for this star and other adaptations is linked in the description. With color A, begin round 1 with a magic ring and chain 3. This will count as a double crochet. You'll do 2 more double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and you'll repeat that 3 double crochet, chain 1, a total of 4 times. After your 4th repeat, you will pull your magic ring tight and then slip stitch at the top of the chain 3 to join. This concludes round 1. You can cut your yarn, leave a short tail, and secure your yarn. And we'll weave in all of the ends at the very end. Looking at your finished round 1, you'll see that there are 5 different chain spaces. To start round 2, you'll join your new color of yarn in one of those chain spaces and chain 3. This will count as 1 double crochet. Place 2 double crochet in that same chain space. This will create half of one of your corners. In the next chain space, place 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. You will repeat this 3 more times for a total of 4 completed corners. In the first chain space, place 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 to join. For round 3, you'll chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. And place 2 double crochets in the first chain space. Next, you will single crochet in the top of the 3rd double crochet from round 2. Then slip stitch between those clusters from round 2 and single crochet in the next stitch. In the next chain space, place 3 double crochet, chain 1, and another 3 double crochet. Then single crochet in the top of the 3rd double crochet from round 2, slip stitch between clusters, and single crochet in the next stitch. You'll repeat this 3 more times for a total of 4. In the first chain space, place 3 double crochets, chain 1, and then slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 to join. We've now reached our final round, round 4. Chain 1, place a half double crochet in that first stitch, followed by a single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2 single crochet. We'll skip the next stitch and then place a slip stitch. You'll skip the next stitch and place 1 single crochet, a second single crochet in the next stitch, and then a half double crochet. In that top chain space, you'll place 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, and another double crochet. You will be repeating this a total of 5 times. But the next half double crochet can sometimes get hidden, so I'm going to point that out to you. We'll be placing our half double crochet in that stitch right there, followed by a single, another single. We'll skip that stitch and then place a slip stitch. So again, that is your first half double crochet, your first single crochet in the next stitch, a single crochet, skip the stitch, and a slip stitch. And we just finished our last double crochet. So you will slip stitch to the top of that half double crochet to join and finish off. Next, you're going to cut your yarn and weave in all of your ends. As a final touch, I like to wet block my finished piece or steam iron it, but only when using cotton yarn. And that concludes the medium star pattern. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!